Hey everyone, welcome to the Blue Mountains. We're here at Evans Lookout starting our hike. Doing 3 days. We're going to explore a wind-eroded cave and a secret waterfall spot. It's going to be pretty fun. The fog's burning off, which is nice. We're at the final lookout before we begin our descent down the horse track. Fox baiting. Yeah. What they do is they get a bunch of dead rats. You reckon there'll be reception down there? Nah, no reception where we're headed.
Mate, how am I going to watch my bloody Netflix?
So here we go, starting the horse track. It's been quite a while since I've been able to do a good overnight hike. My most recent video that I put up was filmed back in February, and it is now almost the end of May. So the temperature's dropped quite a bit. I ended up bringing a -4-degree down bag. Should be overkill, but you'd always rather sleep warm than cold. When you sleep cold and you have a bad night, you never want to do it again. We've reached a little lookout spot off the trail. We're heading up there, we're going to drop our bags, and then when we come back, we'll be heading down the descent now to the river. Oh, wow. You can see all the fog's burnt off. This is the only time today that we're going to be up above the valley. Soon enough we're headed back down, and it's going to be a long descent. We just made it down to the river. We're heading off to the secret waterfall. We've got some of these for a little lunch snack kind of thing. So good. Cheers. Good spot. So we just set out from that riverside lunch spot where we left our packs there because we're now headed along this bush bash trail to get to the secret waterfall. Should be really nice. We've all brought our towels and swimmers and nothing else. Should be a short detour, hopefully, unless the track is really bad. So we're still continuing along this bush bash, and it has been a very difficult and slow journey. We're going along and we've just spotted bright orange yabby in the water. There it is. There's the mountain walls. We're so close. It's taken us a bit over an hour and a half to get here, I think. Hopefully we can have a nice dip. And we have made it. After that arduous journey along the river, here we are. So we're here where we left the guys who didn't want to go up to the waterfall, and look at this trail we have. So by one of the water bottles it says look, and then you look up, and if you can read that on the rock, I'll get closer again, you can read it here. We went back. After walking along the river the whole way to, oh that's a big spider, the whole way along the river to the waterfall, we managed to find a path on the way back, which saved us a lot of time, thank God. We reunited with the other people at the bags. They said they waited about an hour for us, but they should have come to the waterfall. It was spectacular. Anyway, we're now back on the trail. We haven't got too much daylight, it's almost 4 p.m. We are meant to meet with another guy. I think he's at the campsite already, not 100% sure. Hopefully we find him. Now they're back on the trail with the group, walking roughly an hour, maybe an hour and 15 to get to the campground. Been there a couple times, it's pretty nice. And tomorrow we have a very big ascent ahead of us. I'll probably correct myself in the edit of this video, but I believe that phenomenon of clouds gathering around that mountain is orographic currents or formation or something like that, which just means like it relates to mountains, and it's the way that hot and cold air interact around those steep faces that makes clouds form around the edge of them, but maybe not so much in the valley. Here we are at Junction Rock. This means we're about 40-ish, maybe a bit less minutes away from getting to Acacia Flat. It's a pretty nice spot here. If we had more time, we would stay and climb up that to get a look, but we're trying to beat the sunset right now. The sun is almost set. It's getting quite dark. That's all right. Winter camping is usually like this. You don't get the best daylight hours, but at least the temperatures are a bit nicer to walk in during the day. We are almost there. See how dark it is now. The sun is just about set. We have just made it to the campsite, as you can see. Drop toilet clearing, and hanging on this stick here was a little note from our friend Ari. Sup Gabe, I'm set up past second drop toilet on the left. Ari, how cool. We'll take this with me, this is a souvenir. So here we've got a fire set up. We are cooking up some steaks pretty soon. Gets dark so quick. We had a swim, now we've dried up and all the tents are set up. Yeah, it's time to cook.
Last time I brought
Oh, yeah. That's a really good steak.
We'll wait for the coals build up.
we add another log.
Have a look. We've got a kangaroo steak in there and a Scotch fillet. Frying up real nice. I'm going last because I'm the chef, but I'm very excited for when I get mine. So we finished up the steaks, letting the fire burn out. Now we're onto the hot chockey. There's a bit of a possum issue at the moment. Alex is getting his bag chewed through by this little pesky possum.
Not very little.
Hello, mate. What are you looking at?
You know, he's probably going to succeed if I don't put it away. I'm going to do that.
He's gonna rip through your bag.
Oh, he's super chewy.
No, he's trying to get into my nuts.
Have a look at this. Anyway, gonna have these hot chocolates and clean up. See you guys in the morning. Good morning, everyone. knew it was going to be a rainy day, and right on cue as we wake up, here comes a bit of rain. Nothing too intense, but definitely inconvenient. So I'm going to try and get the fire started before it gets too heavy. Just gonna put like the ends of this stick in. These ones are dry now. Bacon on the pan. Have a look at that. Going well. Getting a little ash on it, but that's alright. It is raining harder now, so I'm gonna be packing up the tent and trying to get moving as soon as possible. We've got quite a climb ahead of us. Yeah, not super excited for it. We're all packed up, fire's put out, ready to go. The rain did ease up, but it's time to begin our massive ascent. Everyone excited?
Yeah!
Alright. So here we are, turn off to Perry's, look down. Oh, it's gonna be a look up for us, because that's what we're climbing. They reckon it takes 2 hours to do it, and it's only 2 kilometers. So it gives you a good indication of how steep this is gonna be. About halfway up the climb. It's brutal. At least the weather's holding out for the moment. Hasn't been pouring on us too much. But yeah, this climb is only getting steeper. Oh. Look at this. We're close to the top, but it's still a big vertical wall above us. Wow. We're basically at the top. It's been an arduous climb. The clouds have moved in, covering everything, but we are just about to arrive here at the top. Hopefully there's a spot to put 5 tents, because if there isn't, we've got a bit of a trek back. We've got pasta cooking in here now. I did have a previous batch and I accidentally chucked it in the bush. So hopefully this one goes well. We've got the butter chicken soups, you know the drill. We're gonna eat these and probably just get in our tents as soon as possible. There's another storm blowing in and we are very exposed. So yeah, see you guys in the morning.
Good morning. Last night was a bit of a wet one. Didn't record much, but we've awoken in our beautiful setup along the cliff. Pretty awesome.
So we just packed up, obviously took all our rubbish with us. Can't leave any trace in these beautiful spots. And yeah, now we're just heading back out the way we came. Gonna go absolutely annihilate somewhere with fast food. We just spotted this crazy looking spider. Have a look at that. Oh, there he is. Wow. That is a menacing looking spider though. So this rock is called the chicken rock. And I do see it.
Oh, no,
If you just look at this,
I get it.
it's like the back feathers of the chicken and then it goes up to the beak. I like that. We're off the track, back onto the road for a little bit. Soon enough, we'll be jumping on the trail and stopping by some lookouts and then getting back to the car. So we have just made it, finishing at the top of the track. The rain has come back down. That's the end of our 3-day adventure. It rained a lot. This is a good test of our ability to pack down and set up when it's pouring. I hope you guys enjoyed that one. It's a bit shorter than the usual, but I'm sure to be filming some new ones in the future. I'll see you guys in the next one.